For the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. I told you, Carrie, these are so cute, right? Okay, producer Carrie, in my ear, we were talking about these and I said, just wait till you see these. These are so unbelievably adorable. This is still from Temp-tations, of course, because it matches back beautifully. This is the holiday set of 3 Joy stacking mugs, J-O-Y. This is using vertical space, so it's a total safe space saver. But whether you're having your morning coffee, a cup of tea in the evening, you're building hot fudge sundaes in here, you are drinking your soup out of these. This is an absolute fan favorite, and it's a Christmas in July clearance sale price. For the set of 3, $18.85. That means you have an easy pay of $3.77. That means each one is $3.77. No, each one is $6.28. It is K69256. Actually, Joe, can I steal these for one moment? Because they match back perfectly. You have your option of the reindeer. Next to the reindeer, you have it in Snowflake. And then we have it in Winter Whimsy once again, which is the most limited with 450 remaining. If you picked up the little pans that we just talked about, these are a perfect matchback. Maybe it's a break apart gift again. You have that option. All right. It's a 34% savings, 14 ounces each. They stack beautifully, kind of like this chubby silhouette, which I think is so, so cute. All right, Lisa. I can't. They're so stinking adorable. I don't know what to do with myself.
We've never done anything like this before. And the words that it spell out are perfect. Joy. Because you know what? It makes you smile when you look at these. So it's a 14-ounce capacity. Mugs, one of the #1 customer requests from all of our customers over the 21 years that we've been presenting Temp-tations. But our mugs are also bakeware, Julia. So you can do French onion soup right in the oven in here because it goes up to 500 degrees. You don't have to baby this. Put it in the dishwasher to clean it. Put it under, you know, maybe your Breville, your Keurig, whatever it is that you have at home. But this, you can actually either, you know, gift it separately, keep it together. But when it all stacks together, and you're right, look, if you got these, you have to get these.
You have to.
Look how cute they look together. This could be like your Christmas dessert station right here. How sweet.
It's the cutest thing. Think about teacher's gifts, your nail tech, your post person, whoever's delivering your mail, and all of your QVC packages. Thank you very much for all you do. Every single day, I think they're ringing on my doorbell. Okay, so it's K69256. Let me take everyone through the options. Remember, we did have those loaf pans just a minute ago that match back beautifully. As you can see, some familiar characters like Penny the Penguin. Here we have it in your Winter Whimsy, which is the most limited. Here we have it for you in the Snowflake, which I love the color palette on the Snowflake with like the light lavenders and the beautiful blues and a little touch of gray. And then I can't get over this reindeer. I am so in love with this reindeer.
So cute. And you know what I love about the reindeer? It's very up to date, right? Like my daughters love the reindeer. So not that you can't love it if you're my age, but if you're looking for a gift for somebody a bit younger, I do think this is great. And look, I got to give a shout out. If you love the snowflake as much as I do, with those multicolored, multifaceted snowflakes all around, the helper handle that is actually creating a symbol, a letter for you, look how pretty it looks with the gray damask.
Ooh, you're right.
Isn't that gorgeous together?
That's beautiful because you get those hints of the gray and you get that really intricate detailing. That's a great idea. This is just like gift-giving heaven right here, isn't it? It's like the easiest thing in the world because it looks adorable. Come the holidays, you're going to bring these out. You're going to leave them on your countertop. Look, I have a set of, I think it's 4 stacking mugs that aren't holiday, but they're in the woodland, the white woodland, that I just love having on display because it looks beautiful. This is cute. This is fun. It's festive. So leave this out because it not only gives you that great messaging of joy, which is the message of the holidays, but you get these cute little characters or the snowflakes or the reindeer. Let's talk about Winter Whimsy before this one sells out because I know it's very limited. I just noticed now that fewer than 400. Look at the cardinals.
Oh, that's it. The cardinals. So these are all, again, the characters that you love, from our gingerbread to our penguin right there. I just absolutely adore that. We have Wembley, our reindeer, and we have a snowman. We have the candy cane handle on the side.
Oh,
Each one that spells out the letter joy is a different color. So we have the reds and we have the greens, and then we have the vintage C9 light bulbs
oh
that
yeah.
dance all around with that cardinal. But you know what? I love what you said, Joya. The fact that if you just want to leave these out, it gives
Hmm.
that touch of holiday.
Yeah.
So if you have a smaller space, not a big kitchen like I don't have, I love the fact that all of a sudden peeking out in the corner is the sweetest little story, right? Just waiting to be told in a set of 3 mugs.
And so often we decorate our family rooms, our living rooms, the outside of our
Yes.
homes, the places where people congregate, but everyone always congregates in the kitchen too. When you're
Yeah,
cooking those
always.
holiday meals or you're doing the baking with the kids or the grandkids, you just have this out because it sparks joy. I mean, literally and figuratively. It sparks joy when you see them. All right, getting very limited in the winter whimsy. Here we have it for you in the snowflake. So if you like that color palette, this is a great one. And then I am just over the moon for your reindeer. I don't know what it
So
is. It's
sweet.
almost like kind of like a fair isle or a little retro. It's really cool.
Yes.
And I love that gorgeous like cherry red.
And it's the sweetest face on that reindeer. So when we look at the different patterns and colors, I love it. So if you're traditional and you love that deep red color in the background and maybe something a little more updated. So look at that gorgeous reindeer with the snow falling all around her. By the way, do you see how even the reindeer are different? It's not like we just slapped on the same reindeer all the way around. They're different reindeer. That's the detail that Tara is always going to be sure that you have. Then, if you love the warmth, the coziness of the winter whimsy, if you have grandchildren or children, I think this is absolutely the sweetest thing. It brings and evokes back all those Christmas memories. And then the snowflake, remember, will last all winter long because this is snowflake. It's not really
Right?
Christmas specific,
Exactly.
right?
It's just wintry. It's wintry. And I
Yes,
love this
just
shape, this sort of like chubbier shape
you
of
love that?
this.
Yes.
How many ounces is this? 14 ounces
It's
each?
14.
Oh my
Yeah,
goodness. It just
it's
evokes the
14
feeling
ounces.
of cozying up by the fire. I don't have a fireplace in my apartment, but I like to put the fire on Netflix. You know what I'm talking about? The fireplace on
Sure do.
Netflix and watch the
I do that
snowfall or
too.
watch a good storm and cozy up with your favorite hot beverage. We actually have this really great roar coming up where you can do it. It's like a holiday flavors. It's really cool that you can do hot or cold. So if you want to
Yes.
cozy up with that or a little mulled cider, mulled wine, or even your
Oh,
favorite soup.
love.
And remember, you can still cook or bake in these because this is done in the famous Temp-tations ceramic stoneware. So again,
Yes.
refrigerator, microwave safe, freezer safe, dishwasher safe, and you can even put these in the oven up to 500 degrees. French
I
onion
love
soup
that.
is my favorite of all time. That's why I bought those stacking mugs from the Woodland collection like a year ago. I did promise myself I was going to learn how to make French onion soup. I haven't done it yet, but I do love looking at my mugs. But I bought them for that specific thing, that specific recipe. I need a recipe. That's what I need. Do you have a
Yes.
good French onion soup recipe?
I do. I'll actually send it to you.
Okay.
I do.
It's
And
my
it's not hard. And
really?
wait, Julie, you're going to love this. Do you know what I love to do with these?
What?
Layer them into my boards, my charcuterie
Oh,
boards, my
cute.
waffle boards.
Cute.
Like it's just that perfect shape and size. And that's a great way to add to a piece of wood a touch of holiday for the season as well. So it's just so pretty. Put a flameless candle in here.
Oh
Like there's
yeah.
nothing you can't do with this,
Yeah,
right?
it's so cute. All right, so only 300 now remain in the Winter Whimsy. Remember, a clearance price
Oh.
means when it's gone for good. I mean, it won't make it to actual holiday time. This is Christmas in July where we start to celebrate a little early, where we get a little kickstart to it. All right, here is your snowflake, only 900 remain. And then my personal favorite, here is your reindeer, and only 900 remain there. It is $3.77 on your Easy Pay. Remember, the loaf pans, these were a $4 Easy Pay. This is a $3 and change Easy Pay. So under $8 to get this whole look home is just chef's kiss, so cute. It is K69256. All right.